Hello viewer, you're welcome back to Grace Kisui Cook or Cook with Grace Kisui. In today's video, I'll be making a carrot jollof rice which I saw from Joyful Cook. So I say let me give it a try. So this is my own method of cooking the carrot jollof rice. But the truth still remains, I prefer, let's be sincere, if they say I should choose, I will choose this carrot jollof rice, unlike the constant or normal jollof rice we normally use, because the taste was so yummy. After marinating my chicken, I have to steam it. After steaming, I blended the carrot, and after blending the carrot, I boil the carrots, make it dry. The normal way we do cook our normal jollof rice, but the only difference is that this time around you will not be using tomato. The only thing you'll be using is red bell pepper, and onions, garlic, ginger, and carrots. That's what you're using to blend. So you're not using any other thing. You put enough red bell pepper. So that's how I did my and finally got. Oh my god, the taste was out of this world. It was really amazing. I choose, seriously, if they say let me choose the both rice, I think I would go for this carrot jollof rice instead of the normal tomato jollof rice, because the taste is yummy. I will advise you to give it a try. You will love it. Give it a try and thank me later. I love you guys, and I still remain Grace. Kiss you, just check out the outcome. That's amazing. Then one thing, I'm chilling with a fresh juice, girl.